How to log into Ultipro UKG. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily log into the Ultipro UKG. First thing you do is search for Ultipro on your web browser and click on the first link. You could go to login UKG launch, and here go to launch.ukg.net. Now on this page, you'll find the login option. Simply go ahead and tap on this login button down below, and then you'll have to head over to the login portal. Now on this login portal, you are going to have to enter your username or password. So first provide your username that's connected to your account, and then simply enter up your password. Now just go ahead and click on the login button, and if you forgot your password, click on forgot your password button, and then you should be able to recover it by providing your details like username and access code. Click on continue. They'll provide you with a verification code. Just enter the code here on the next step and recover your password. That's basically it, guys. That's how you log into Ultipro UKG. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.